Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for TNPSC Group 2. First, familiarize yourself with the detailed syllabus provided by TNPSC. This initial step is crucial for understanding the scope of the examination and focusing your efforts effectively. Pay close attention to the specific topics listed under Indian history and Tamil Nadu history. This will help you prioritize your study materials and allocate your time wisely for optimal preparation. Next, gather your essential study materials. The Samashir Calvi textbooks, particularly from 6th to 12th standard, are indispensable resources for TNPSC Group 2 history. Supplement these with reliable reference books for deeper understanding of complex topics. Ensure your materials cover both Indian history, including ancient, medieval, and modern periods, and the rich history of Tamil Nadu. Quality resources are key to building a strong foundation. Now, let's talk about effective study techniques. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Make concise notes, create timelines for chronological events, and draw mind maps to connect related concepts. Focus on understanding the why behind historical events, not just the what. Regular revision of these notes will solidify your memory and improve retention significantly. Active learning makes a big difference. Finally, consistent revision and practice are paramount. Schedule dedicated time each week to review all the topics you've covered. This prevents forgetting and strengthens your recall. Crucially, solve previous year's question papers and take mock tests regularly. This practice helps you understand the exam pattern, manage your time effectively, and identify areas needing further attention. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.